Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if the post option is missing in your Instagram account, then in this video I will show you the solution. I mean how to post it in Instagram after a new update. So Instagram keep changing the things, and uh, the things used to move from here to there, like it's keep changing. So we have the option, but the UI of Instagram has completely changed. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to post it on Instagram after new update. So open your Instagram account. So previously here there was a plus icon to post it on Instagram, but now after new update that plus icon has been moved to top left. Here you can see. So here in this plus icon you need to click. Basically they should keep it bigger or something more visible, so nobody is going to guess this is an option to post it. So once you will click on this, you will get the multiple options. Anything you want to go. For example, I am going with the post. Here is a photo or a videos that you can select from your gallery and click on next. So here you can see it is ready to post. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.